Bharat right now, going to Goa. Joy is enjoying this beautiful scenic beauty. So stay tuned with us for more updates on this trip.
This beautiful view is very rare in our city life. So whenever we get it, we try to capture it in the camera and keep it saved.
We reached Goa and now we are going towards hotel. Reached our hotel now. We are in Benolam in Karma Royal Palms. He's sitting here with me. We are enjoying the beautiful view from our balcony.
Most importantly, the sunset.
Most importantly, the sunset, yes.
This sunset is rare for me and Joy, hence we are enjoying each and every moment of it. And this is the view from our balcony. What a lovely view it is. Now I'll give you all a room tour quickly. We are staying in a one bedroom apartment. Karma always comes with a lot of options like studio, one bedroom, two bedrooms, and etc. But for us, we always choose a one bedroom apartment because kitchen is very important for us. We do not do a full fledged cooking, but yet at time doing a breakfast is something I love. And this kitchen comes with all the necessary appliances. This is the bedroom. And the first thing I did after coming here is I have organized my vanity with all the necessary cosmetics here. And I have organized it so well that whatever I want, the necessary things I can get in one go. In the evening now, we decided to go out. Hence, we have come here in the reception. This is the reception area.
We are in the hotel reception right now, going towards the beach. We have come to the Benolam beach and these are the beachside restaurant. This is one of my most favorite restaurant in the beach side, which is known as Jonse.
Whenever we come to Benolam, we always come to this restaurant. Last time also I've come here, but that those days I used to not do videos, hence I couldn't share it with all of you. And here you can see Joy waiting for the food to come in badly because we both today is very hungry. The best part here is Goa is famous for seafood, and everywhere you go, you will get the seafood. I am a seafood lover. Hence, for me, this is one of the most ideal place to travel. So finally, our order is here, and I have ordered squid. I love squid if it is cooked properly. And we have also ordered this mackerel fish, which is cooked in the famous resado masala of Goa.
The fish is too good here. And the music is awesome. You all can hear it.
So our next order has come, which is prawns rava fry, as well as we have ordered surmai, which is cooked. One piece is cooked in the rasado masala, and the other one is rava fried. Rava fried fish is both of us favorite. We always love to fry fish in rava and have it.
The best part in Goa is you enjoy fish, drink, and music. And you all can hear the lovely music, which we both are enjoying.
It is the next morning, and no wonder I've started my shopping.
This is Tuk Tuk and it has got awesome collections.
This shop Tuk Tuk is one of the most famous shop in Benolam, and it basically they sells all the handcrafted items which are done by an orphanage. So and they are beautifully designed. Hence, I love buying from them. They have got beautiful decorated items as you all can see, and they also have clothes, apparels, and also the kitchen accessories, the kitchen towels, and everything. What a lot of variety they have. They have also got lovely cushion covers and all. Though I'm not going to grab all of it, but yes, definitely few of them I'm going to take. And once I reach the hotel, I'll definitely share with all of you what all I've shopped from here. Done with our shopping from Tuk Tuk, and now we are going towards hotel. So we reached hotel right now, and the first thing I did it, I opened all my stuff and wanted to do the video and shoot for all of you. So this is what I've got for the Christmas this time, and this is a beautifully handcrafted fridge magnet, which is done using several color cloths. And this is a very rare thing. It's a jug cover. And last time I took a lot of them for the glass cover, and this time I took this one, because this is a bigger one for the jug, water jug. And these are the handmade beautiful diyas. I couldn't resist myself as because Diwali is arriving. Hence, I took this for the house, and I'm sure it will look very good once I do my Diwali decoration. In the afternoon, we decided to go to the Benulam restaurant, which is a restaurant in the Karma Royal Palms. So, where we wanted to have our lunch, they are excellent in the seafood dishes. And here you go, my drink is already come. Joy is still waiting for his pineapple juice. And today we have ordered for a seafood platter, and I hope they will keep up the same taste the way they did it the last time. So here his juice has also arrived, and this is the seafood platter. The way it is looking, even it tastes also that way. It tastes very good. It's looking yummy and it tastes also very yummy. And in the evening, nothing else, but I'll have to do my hair wash. Hence, I came here in the salon to pamper myself for a quick hair wash. And after the hair wash, I'm going to go towards the beach and I'm going to share everything what I'm doing today in the evening with all of you.
We are in the Benolam beach now. It's looking so beautiful. We have come for the dinner now.
This Goa video will continue in the next few parts because I have divided it into several parts.
The fish was so yummy. I've already eaten one. Forgotten to take the videos. I've taken the video now.
We have almost come to the end of the first part of our Goa trip, and this video will continue. So, till then, keep watching my channel. Welcome to my world. Bye.